Big bird.
Oh, it's fall, and I'm a small bird, but not that small. And I'm also red.
One day, Chirp was out hopping, minding her own beeswax, when all of a sudden...
I don't believe it.
Yup, it's a bird taking a bath in water. And she's not yelling or anything.
Peep, quack, come here, come here. Be very quiet, okay? I don't want to scare...
Scare who?
her.
Her who? What?
There was a bird in that puddle. A big bird. She was taking a bath.
Oh, nice. Nice. Don't worry, Chirp. If she's in here, I'll find her. Woohoo! La-ta-ta-tum, dee-dee-dee-dee. Nice, very nice. Oh, yeah! She's not here, Chirp.
Thanks for your help, Quack.
Over the next few days, Chirp checked on the puddle, hoping the robin would return.
Nothing. Rats.
Finally, Chirp's patience was rewarded.
Whoa! Ah! Water, water, water! Excuse me. I hope I didn't get you too... What? What? Whoa! Ah!
You messed up my puddle.
I mean, sorry. Why are you standing in water? Aren't birds afraid of water?
No, you might be afraid, but that's because you're still a baby.
I am not. I'm as big as you. Almost.
Uh-huh, sure. Can you make a nest?
No.
Can you lay an egg and sit on it for 13 and a half days?
No.
Can you even sing?
Yes, I can. Watch.
That's so cute. But I meant a real song like this. I'm a big, big bird, the opposite of small. I'm twice as tall as you. I'm all grown up and there's so much stuff that big birds like me get to do. It's true, like washing mud puddles and be the first to wake up, eat cherries for breakfast and bugs for lunch, build nests in the treetops, you know, all the rest of it. Oh, it's great to be big, bet you can't wait to be big. See, that's a real song.
Wow. Will you teach me? Will you teach me to do big bird stuff?
Okay, I guess there's still time. And you sure need some help.
Chirp got so busy with her bird lessons that for 3 whole days, Peep couldn't even find her. He found signs of her, though, like a nest that she built for practice and a big pile of cherry pits. But they weren't the same as finding Chirp.
It's great to be big. Oh, I can't wait to be big.
Chirp, I've been looking for you.
Hi, Peep.
Do you want to play?
Can't, sorry. I'm late for my lesson. The robin is teaching me bird stuff.
What's bird stuff?
It's hard to explain, Peep. When you're older and more mature, like me, you'll understand.
When did you get older?
A couple of days ago. See you later, Peep.
I think Chirp is getting too old and mature for us, Quack.
That's ridiculous, Peep. I'm old, and I'm completely immature.
Well, anyway, a robin is giving her bird lessons.
Now that's crazy. Why didn't Chirp come to me? I can give her bird lessons. Huh.
See, worms like dirt. So wherever you find a garden, you'll find a worm.
And why do I want to find a worm?
To eat. What else?
What? I'm not doing that. I am not doing that.
Chirp, did this bird teach you how to do the bump yet?
No. What's that?
It's a move. A bird move. A proper teacher, like me, would have shown you already. Hey!
Chirp is learning about robins. You're a duck.
So
You can't teach her how to be a robin. You know nothing about it. If you don't want to eat worms, you could try some...
Excuse me, you're new around here. I understand. I'm Quack. Quack?
I heard you the first time.
But I'm Quack, and I live in the pond, and you're just... What is she, Peep?
A robin.
Exactly. And what does a robin know about being a robin? Huh?
Is he always this ridiculous? Woohoo! It is time!
Time for what?
Time to go south. You're still little, but I think you're ready.
Did you hear that, Peep? I'm ready. Ready for south. What's south?
Follow me and find out!
Wait up! I'm coming!
Chirp, where are you going?
Peep! Come back! Oh, forget it.
Don't worry, they'll be back. They wouldn't dream of going south without Quack.
Ha! As if...
Or would they?